Hey everybody, welcome back to another walkthrough by MarineMax. Today we're going to walk through a 2021 Boston Whaler 250 Dauntless. This is one of our premier brokerage listings. With that, the boat is currently inside, stored in our indoor showroom. It's been fully detailed. All the names and everything have been removed. So it's literally ready for its new owner. We're going to start back here at the transom. You'll notice we have this really cool big activity tower with a casting platform up top. Also acts as a handle if you have older adults getting on the boat to jump off of when you're swimming, and a tow tower. Underneath that, you have the white cowling 300 Mercury Verado. That is the newest generation. That's going to be a V8. And you'll notice here, look at this big casting platform. So we have the starboard side is tucked away. You can see the port side has the seat deployed, and then there's a live well down in the middle. There is a ladder on that side and storage on the port side. Up at the helm, you have a really nice big helm console with plenty of storage. You put a 5-gallon bucket in here, all your rods, tools, and lures in there. 4 cup holders across the back and 2 rod holders. 2 rod holders on each side in the back as well. Cup holders for each seat. Up at the helm, we have a really nice Raymarine MFD, Mercury vessel view, Fusion audio stereo, and a Raymarine VHF console here. You do have the digital throttle and shift for Mercury, so it's nice, smooth shifting, none of that gear grinding, and a tilt wheel. Seating-wise, you have a big double bench, armrests on the outside, and flip up and flip down bolsters. Above, you have 4 rocket launcher style rod holders, life jacket storage, and an overhead light, which is all mounted to that fiberglass hardtop that does match the hull color. As we move up to the bow of the boat here, we just walked past your head compartment, plenty of storage down there, and there is also a pump out porta potty down there. And this is a really nice addition, is this big coffin box style lounger seat here. You have plenty of storage down here. You have a pass through for your rods, and it does lock as well with a step down and cushions there. Up front, you have bow seating, as well as a split bow rail, so you have easy access off the front, an anchor roller, and more storage throughout. All on gas shocks here. This is an insulated fish box, self-draining. And then on each side of the front here, you have these awesome bow-facing backrests. 2 more rod holders. That is nice when you're trolling. If you have something there, you're just sitting at anchor, you want to toss a couple things in there. You have your radio control for your JBL audio system. Everything's on there. A couple more cup holders, and you're good to go. All right. This one is going to be listed with us here. All right, $139,400. If you want any questions about it, sea trial, you want to do surveys or anything, just let me know. I'd be more than happy to go through that stuff with you and help you along with the process. My number here is 781-635-8684 with MarineMax. We'll see you soon.